let us consider this as pole 1, pole 2, pole 3. These poles are set up with the transmitters which have the current and voltage sensors connected to them. These transmitters transmit the data to the control unit if there is any problem at it. We have designed the control unit and the auto switchgear which is controlled by the Xilinx Ping Z2 platform and is connected with a lot of sensors which can control the whole grid through one tap in the application. Now we are switching the grid to the maintenance mode through the application. Let us see the prediction made by the algorithm in Xilinx Ping Z2 regarding the health of the transformer. The prediction is made based on the parameters like season, transformer core temperature, grid load and blown fuses. All the data related to these parameters is given by the voltage, current and temperature sensors. The prediction is done based on the real-time data, which will be helping the authority to avoid serious damage of devices and save lot of money. Coming to the application, we are able to see the current and voltage readings of the transformer and the data statics related to it. We can switch the modes of the grid as maintenance mode or working mode. In the display, we will be able to see the process going on at the control unit. If there is any problem in the grid, the control unit notifies us through the application. As if there is problem at pole 2, it will be just like this. Now we can see that the grid is off due to problem at pole 2 and the grid is switched to the maintenance mode. So the control unit is informing the authority to start the repair work immediately. To find the location of the problematic pole, we can switch the pole data tab and we can find the location of the problematic pole. This is pole 2 at the location. After the repair work, the employee can switch the grid to the working mode by a single tap in the application. Now we can see the power is restored and we are able to see the process display in it. The grid is on and the maintenance is off. Xilinx Ping Z2 board is the main control unit which is processing the data and informing the problems and reports to the authority. This predicts the health of the grid and notifies the employees about the problems regarding grid, power theft, short circuit and many more. It can switch the grid automatically based on the situation and can avoid the death caused by the electric grids.